let's unbox the VITURE One Lite XR glasses. I'm excited to see how they compare to the VITURE Pro glasses. They're about half the price, so let's see if we still get the same value. $200, $199.99 off of Amazon. Also had a 10% coupon that I could apply. So, off rip, I feel like these are lighter. Let's open it up. So, exact same presentation as the Pros. Let's open it up. Okay, this time USB-C to USB-C cable. Definitely lighter, man, definitely lighter. They look around the same width, so I am a little bit worried about them being too small for my face. Definitely lighter, not as robust as